are different viewing options provided in Google Drive. So the default view that you see right here is the list view. And if you want to change out your view, you can go on to the top right and click on grid view. So once you do this, you change out into the preview right here, as you can see. And over here, what happens is that you have the preview of the JPG files right here, and then you got folder on the top. The quick access is over here. You can change it back to list view right over here again. And over here, what happens is that you can see the owner in the list view, you can see the file size, and then you can see the last modified date. So if you want to change the layout, so right now everything is alphabetical right here. And if you want to change the layout just like this, you can go on to this section right here and click on last modified by me. So all the files that you modified will be here. So right now we haven't shared our drive contents to anyone else, so we are just the ones modifying the file. And if I were to click on last opened by me, then it'll list out the files that are opened by you in the last state, just like that. So you don't see much changes because there's not much things right here. So let's just go inside the drive right here. And you can see that last opened by me is like this. So you can see last modified or last modified by me or last opened by me. And then it'll change out accordingly right over here. So besides that, you can also go around and see the owner and the file size. And those are the view options inside of Google Drive. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.